Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I would like to make video with my speaking partner. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salma Alifa. I'm from Otimakas. Could you introduce yourself, sister?
Okay, this is Salma. My name is Nafiko Tumila, but you can call me Viko.
Okay.
So, what is our topic today?
Topic today is about introduction.
Oh, it's so nice introduction.
Yes.
So, where are you from?
I'm from in Purwakarta. Do you know Purwakarta? Where's the place?
I don't know.
Oh, Purwakarta behind Karawang and Bandung.
Oh, Karawang. Oh.
Yes. And Karawang near in Jakarta.
Oh, yes.
Jakarta, Bekasi, Karawang, and Purwakarta, Bandung.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yes.
So, because you are from Purwakarta, sorry.
Yes.
So, do you have favorite food in your hometown?
I like favorite food sate beef. Do you know sate beef?
I don't know where is that.
Like this
Steak,
yes, stick and
the beef.
the beef.
Oh, yeah, just like that. Is that nice?
Yes. The satay
Is spicy?
is spicy and you can not spicy.
Oh, yeah. So, up to me.
Yes.
What I want.
Yeah.
So, what about here? Do you have favorite food here?
I think I like soto.
Soto.
Yes.
Oh, soto. And then what's again?
Yes.
Just soto?
Yes.
So, what about drink? Do you have favorite drink?
My favorite drink is avocado, and I like lemon tea.
Lemon tea.
Yes. And I don't know.
Oh, just that. So, because you like it, so do you have favorite music?
I like favorite music. The title is Unconditionally. Do you know Unconditionally?
I don't know. Who is the singer?
I think Taylor Swift maybe. I forget.
Oh, Taylor Swift. So, what about the movie?
I like the movie cartoon. The title Doraemon,
Doraemon.
Upin Ipin, and do you know Pororo?
I know.
I know. That Pororo so kind and so funny.
Do you like the Korean movie or Japan movie?
Just a little bit.
Oh, just a little
Yeah,
bit.
but I like. Do you know Bangtan BTS?
Oh, I know. Who is your bias?
Yeah, my bias Jin.
Your
Kim
crush
Seokjin.
Seokjin.
Yes,
Okay.
but he's
Yes.
I so
Awesome.
small
Oh,
and he smart cooking.
yes, I know because I like to, but I'm not like Seokjin, but I like Jungkook.
Jungkook so yeah.
So-
Jungkook.
What is your favorite music? Bangtan's.
But I just like music Bangtan.
Oh, what is your special favorite from Bangtan music?
I
The
think
title.
I forget.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm nervous.
So, do you have lucky numbers?
Lucky numbers. I like lucky numbers. Yeah. Sick number.
Sick number, why?
But that number
Have something?
have something for me.
Okay, have something for you. So, what about here? Who is your MS? Sorry, I will change it.
My MS Mr. Isman. Do you know Mr. Isman?
I don't know. Could you tell me more?
I think tall. He is tall.
And then
And then I don't know. I cannot
describe.
describe.
Oh, it's okay. So,
But Sir Isman when he taught others He's so kind, and when she talk, make me understand
The lesson.
the lesson. Yes.
So, what is difficult lesson for you?
Listen, I think sometimes when I like feel sad
Yeah.
but tired, I just difficult. Sometimes I always difficult when I listen,
Oh, it's okay.
but English uh, for me easy and sometimes hard because that English and to study in Bandung.
Oh, it's nice in
Yes.
Bandung.
And at August month, I I I go to that in Bandung.
Oh, you have got
Yes.
so very great and
Yes,
congratulations
thank you.
for you.
But I sometimes I don't like English because I think English so hard, and when I study, no hard, but just a little bit hard.
Oh, just a little bit.
Yes. Sometimes.
Sometimes it's okay, it's okay sometimes. I love you say sometimes.
Sometimes. I just try and try again.
It's good.
Yes. I think enough, sister.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sister, for
Make
video with me, and thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.